0-0-1-3, Wikipedia article audio. 0-0-1-3 is an alcohol abuse prevention program developed in 2004 at Francis E. Warren Air Force Base based on research by the National Institute on Alcohol Abuse and Alcoholism regarding binge drinking in college students. This program was a command-led collaboration of unit leaders, base agencies, and base personnel, and utilized a three-tiered approach. 1. Identify and assist high-risk drinkers. 2. Develop a base culture, as well as recreational options, supportive of safe, responsible behaviors. And 3. Partnering with the broader community to promote alcohol prevention. 0-0-1-3 stands for explanation of the name. Three-tier approach. The first tier included screening of all personnel for binge drinking utilizing a measure such as the Alcohol Use Disorders Identification Test. Persons identified as possibly at risk were offered an alcohol screening consultation with the Alcohol and Drug Abuse Prevention and Treatment Program. Consistent with Air Force policy, all active duty members who had alcohol-related misconduct incidents were also referred for evaluation. Based on evaluation results, individuals were provided education and motivational enhancement interventions, or if found to have a substance use disorder, entered into a treatment program. The second tier included primary prevention level education of all personnel regarding low-risk alcohol use, hazards of binge drinking and illness, a media campaign targeted and pilot tested for both young adult and older adult groups, development and promotion of alternative recreational options, and use of disciplinary and legal consequences, among other actions. This included development of the name 0-0-1-3 as both a slogan and a guideline for low-risk alcohol use. Personnel from the age range at highest risk for binge drinking, 18 to 25, were involved in development and execution of these actions. The third tier included partnering with the Wyoming Governor's Council on Impaired Driving and the Advisory Council for the Enforcing Underage Drinking Laws program, as well as local law enforcement, the Chamber of Commerce, and others to promote responsibility and safety regarding alcohol beverage sales, service, and use. Metrics collected in 2005 showed a 74% decrease in alcohol-related incidents such as driving violations, public drunkenness, domestic violence, sexual assault, thefts, and other infractions. The base also reported 81% fewer cases of underage drinking and 45% fewer drunken driving arrests. Multiple other military bases adopted elements of the program, including a grant-funded trial at 5 bases. The program served as the model for the Air Force's Culture of Responsible Choices program. A 0-0-1-3 program was also implemented by the senior administration of the United States Naval Academy in response to a string of alcohol-related incidents that generated a large amount of negative publicity during the 2005 to 2006 school year. Its primary aim there is to promote responsible alcohol use within the Brigade of Midshipmen. Initial results. Although most health professionals recommend limiting alcohol consumption to 2 to 4 drinks per day for men, the 3-drink cap has contributed the most to its massive unpopularity among the brigade, as it is designed to ensure that no midshipman is able to achieve a blood alcohol content level above the Maryland legal driving limit of 0.08. While the senior leadership at the Naval Academy insists that 0-0-1-3 is only a guideline for responsible alcohol use, its enforcement involves mandatory, random breathalyzer tests for all midshipmen regardless of age or rank. Those found in violation of 0-0-1-3 are placed on record as having alcohol abuse issues, and repeat offenders are subject to severe administrative conduct action, up to and including expulsion. In contrast, neither the U.S. Military Academy nor the U.S. Air Force Academy conducts random breath testing or punishes students simply for blowing above a particular BAC when not driving. Enforcement: 0 underage drinking offenses, 0 drinking and driving incidents, 1 drink per hour, 3 drinks per evening.